Well, as we wrap up this year, we take a moment to look back. It's been a challenging year to say the least, but with the challenges came the opportunity for GA pilots to step up to use their airplanes to serve others. AOPA Live's Josh Cochran gives us a recap of how general aviation helped out this year during the pandemic.
Generosity, courage, and innovation. These are just a few words to describe the GA community this year. We first got a glimpse of the role GA could play at the beginning of April. Pilots from Michigan seaplanes used their connections in the automotive industry to manufacture face shields, and then they delivered them around the Midwest in a Cessna 206.
We're helping these people that are trying to save basically our lives. And they are walking into literal fire when they go, deal with a corona patient. And if this little shield can help protect them, that's what it's all about.
We have a set of skills, and when we are able to use them to help out, it's definitely a good feeling.
Later in April, we brought you the story of 16-year-old high school student TJ Kim. With all of his school activities canceled, TJ decided to use his extra time to serve others. TJ flew with his flight instructor to deliver supplies to rural hospitals in Virginia.
If you can go out and learn new skills and gain new abilities and use that to help others, I think that's one of the greatest things that you can do.
And over in Hawaii, a group of pilots took on a similar mission. Members of the Aloha 99's chapter worked together to sew face masks and fly them to the outer islands. The tight-knit group of women grew even closer as they worked together to help others.
So it's just so warm and fuzzy in this awkward time, because we can really see the beauty and the magic that everybody holds inside, and it brings us all together.
And these are just a few of the dozens of stories about GA delivering critical equipment to remote areas. General aviation manufacturers also stepped up manufacturing medical supplies. Piper, Textron, Cirrus, and others manufactured face shields for hospitals, while companies like Aperio used their innovation and equipment to design and build ventilators. And then there were the flyovers. All across the country, pilots offered aerial tributes to healthcare workers. These pilots organized a flight over Northern Virginia.
We want to thank them for the great job they're doing and the sacrifices they're making for the community and their families. And a job well done, and we thank all the pilots that participated here.
And the thank you message delivered by GA was spread far and wide during Operation America Thank You. Dozens of pilots across the country volunteered for the mission, and at each stop, a ceremony to thank healthcare workers and first responders. The relay took 5 weeks, landed in 90 cities, and covered nearly 11,000 miles. And the first responders are grateful for all of the appreciation this year.
It is so nice to be acknowledged for the work that we do every day that we love doing. It is an honor that they have chosen to honor us this way, and we really appreciate it.
It all goes to show the strength and resilience of this community in a challenging time. Josh Cochran, AOPA Live.